In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion page with others. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your life, managing projects, or collaborating with others. Whether you're using it for personal use or you're part of a team, understanding how to share your pages effectively is crucial. So, let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Notion page you want to share. Open up the Notion app on your desktop or mobile device and locate the specific page. You might be organizing a meal planner or perhaps managing a project. Regardless of the purpose, ensure that the page you plan to share is open and ready for collaboration. Once you're on the page, your next action is to locate and click on the Share button. This button can usually be found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open up the sharing settings, which contains all the tools you need to manage how and with whom your document is shared. This is an essential feature if you want to control exactly who sees your content and what they can do with it. Now that you have the sharing settings visible, it's time to decide who will be receiving access. In the designated field, type in the email addresses of the individuals you want to share your page with. Make sure to double check the spelling of each email to avoid any errors that might prevent your colleagues or friends from receiving access. Remember, you want to ensure seamless access without any hitches. After inputting the emails, there's a small circle next to each email you've entered. Clicking on this allows you to customize the level of access you're granting. You might want them to view only, or perhaps you'd like them to contribute by adding and editing content. Notion offers granular control over permissions, so choose wisely depending on the purpose of the collaboration. To finalize the sharing process, simply click the Invite button. This will send an invitation to each email address you've specified, granting them access to the page with the permissions you've allocated. Once that's done, the individuals will receive an email notification prompting them to view or edit the page, depending on the access level you provided. You've now successfully shared your Notion page. Congratulations on this new step towards collaboration and teamwork. Remember, you can always return to the sharing settings to add more people, adjust permissions, or revoke access if your sharing needs change. Notion's flexibility in shared access can make collaborating on tasks and projects more efficient and controlled. Thank you for joining me today, and happy collaborating.